Algebra 2 Worksheet 4.1. This video is going to look at numbers 19 and 20 on the back, where we have the function notation. In number 19, it looks kind of weird because you have the composition of functions. You have two functions happening at the same time, and they both happen to be f. Now, when you have this composition, like both in number 18 and 19, start with the inside of this, the composition notation first. So for f of 74, that tells me, since there's no x, that this 74 gets plugged into this function here. So my f of 74 would equal the square root of 74 plus 7, which equals the square root of 81, which equals 9. Then that value of 9 gets plugged back into f. So we did this inside part first. We plugged in, worked it all out, got a 9. Now this whole problem becomes f of 9. Square root, the x becomes 9 plus 7, which is the square root of 16. Square root of 16 is 4, so my answer for number 19 is positive 4. Now number 20, notice the difference between 19 and 20. Here we have the number inside. Here we have the variable inside. When this happens, g of x, this entire function, replaces this g of x notation here. So instead of being, a lot of people want to put the 0 into that x, 3 times 0 is going to go the other way. 3x squared minus 27 equals 0. And notice they have two boxes for answers, so I'm going to get two answers. Move the 27 over by adding it. I get 3x squared equals 27. Divide both sides by 3, I get x squared equals 9. Square root, to get rid of the square, that gives me positive 3 and negative 3. There's my two answers for number 20.